Hi, this video is going to be on the sounds of words. So firstly, we have this first sentence here, rifles, rapid, rattle. Now this is an example of alliteration because we have the repeating of these R's at the start of each consecutive word. Now in this second sentence, took the school books, we have an example of assonance. Now here we have the repetition of sounds within a word. So compared to alliteration, we have this repetition within the word, and we can hear that with took the school books. And you can also perhaps argue that that school sound also is repeated. And then we have onomatopoeia here as well, and this is where we have a word that sounds like what it's describing. So splinters, spat, and tittered. So we can hear that especially with this sp sound, which is also an example of a plosive, which we have with strong consonant sounds like p and b. And yeah, we can hear how spat sounds what it's like what it's describing as well. And also, in addition to these repetition literary devices, we also have anaphora. Now this is where we repeat things at the start of a line. It's quite common in poetry. So an example of this would be if I was to write this. So took the school books, and then took the pen, took the pencil. So we would be repeating took the at the start of each line. Thanks for listening.